Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be opening my August premium box, and I also have the add-ons. This came first, so it was really hard not to open this, but I really wanted to do them together. I'm not sure if I ever filmed those together or if they come together or always separate. Still confused about BoxyCharm till this day. There's so many things going on right now. The sales are insane. There was a Charlotte Tilbury sale, there was the BoxyCharms, and then the add-ons, and then BoxyCharm dropped their pop-up shop, and then the Nordstrom anniversary sale is going on. My head is spinning in sales right now, and I'm gonna have a lot of hauls. After this one, I'm gonna be doing my Charlotte Tilbury haul. And yeah, I can't say I'm mad about it. Okay, so I'm going to do the box first. Okay, first thing in here, ooh, that's a first, a MAC lipstick, but what is the color? Flesh Pot, do I have this? It sounds so familiar. I'm gonna have to check before I swatch this one. It's a very pale nude. I'm gonna have to see if I have this. Oh my gosh, I just checked and I do not have it. I'm surprised. I could have sworn I had it, but I think I was confusing it with Fresh Brew. Possibly. But I really want to try it on because I love MAC lipstick. That's like the OG right there. Adjusted a little bit because it was a little bit too pink, a little bit cooler pink tone than my whole look, but I think this is okay for now. But cool, I like MAC lipsticks. Next thing in here is Gerard Cosmetics Eternal Eyeliner. Cool, let's see how this looks. I've never tried Gerard Cosmetics. Okay, so it's one of those kind of like pointy sponge tip applicators. Oh, that's a really nice formula actually. It's not like bleeding through my little skin lines. That's always a bad sign when that happens. It's very defined. I can't wait to try this. I've already got liquid eyeliner on, so I can't do it now. Well, I said we can't make our little wingtips a little bit sharper. This is definitely darker than what I had on. Nice. Very nice. Okay, what else do we have in here? Dermalect XL Lash Volumizer. Package looks like that. Oh, nice. It's a it's an eyelash and eyebrow booster formula. Conditioning treatment. Oh, before bedtime. Nice. It's like a little nice little nighttime lash treatment. That's cool. I don't have anything like that. I like that. Next thing in here, slip-on exfoliator. Oh, it's for your hand, and then you scrub your body with it. Oh, that feels like a dish sponge almost, but like a little bit smoother, not so scratchy. Scratchy, but like in a good way. Like it's not gonna leave lacerations or anything like that. That's a really nice idea. This would be good for the legs. Like maybe before you shave your legs, or to prevent like razor bumps. This is a really nice handy thing to have. Cool. What brand is this? After Spa. Oh. Okay, this is the item that I chose. First of all, I think it's awesome that Sunday Riley is just popping up everywhere on BoxyCharm, because I used to just like drool over Sunday Riley products when they were only like at Sephora, and I slowly like bought their oils, their face oils in Sephora sales. But now the pop-up sale, oh my god, it was just full of Sunday Riley stuff, and I bought a couple things, and this was the choice item for BoxyCharm, which is amazing to me because this thing is like expensive. It's their high dose retinoid serum. Personally, my favorite thing from them is the Good Genes. That's like the product, hands down, my favorite from Sunday Riley, and I did get those in the pop-up sale. But yes, delivers a advanced strength retinoid serum, 6.5% solution. I really want to see how this works for my skin, because in the past nothing like retinoid or retinol has really worked, but I'm hoping like there's something special about this one. Gosh, this size is huge. 30 milliliters. It's like a foundation size. This will be used immediately. And there's something else in here. Ciate London, the editor palette. Wow, another palette. Oh my goodness. Amazing value in this box, really. Now I really understand why the premium box had the longest wait time. It took me like a couple months before I finally got approved, because I got them, I signed up for all three at the same time, but there was a wait list for the premium box for some reason. Ooh, pretty. Oh, these are so pretty. And that's it for the whole box, but now I'm gonna open up the add-ons I chose. Okay, so I got two of these Glow Sweet Glow gummies with benefits. Skin hydration for the ultimate glow. Hyaluronic acid, vitamin C and E. And these just like look like yummy to me. But then I actually got a multivitamin after I purchased these, so I think I might have to switch off, like one day that one, and then the next day this one, and then that one and this one. Kind of. I do that with my kids too. They have two kinds of vitamins, and I'm gonna switch them off and see how that works for me. I wish I could taste it now, but I already took my gummy vitamins today. Okay. Elemis. One of my favorite products. One of my favorite brands that I just like, whenever I see something from them, I'm like, ooh, gotta grab that Elemis product. Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. A prebiotic green mask. I wish I could remember the prices of everything in here, because the prices are just like crazy during add-ons and pop-up sales, and yeah, but if I bought it, it's probably, if I bought something in here, it's probably a really good price. I'm missing something. Maybe it's gonna come separately, but oh, let me see what it looks like. Oh, it's like a light green. Oh my god. That smells exactly like something from Origins. Oh my god, what is it? There's something from Origins that smells exactly like this. I know, because Dior was right next to Origins, and I was always over there playing with their skincare, trying it on myself. That brings back so many memories, like being at the makeup counter. but I feel like it's not a smell that everyone would love. It's something that I just like. It feels nostalgic to me, but also kind of like a really refreshing treatment that you could like have someone do on you. That's what it reminds me of. I want to try this one soon. And then we have a Dr. Brandt Pore Purifying Cleanser, because I can never get enough cleansers, with salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and white willow bark. Just another brand that's always on BoxyCharm's website, and it's always a good value, and I think it's a really good brand. I've tried so many things from them. It's funny, tea tree will always like take over the whole entire scent. If there's tea tree in it, that's what everything will end up smelling like. Just kind of like minty and refreshing. Oh, wow, we got off that eyeliner really good. And I get so many cleansers, and what I like to do with them is test them out on the different like face washing devices that I have. Like there's the little, what is that little one? Is it a Foreo pop or something? Or there's the PMD one, and then there's the Clarisonic, and I just like to see which one works best, because sometimes when they don't lather, it's not very fun to use the Clarisonic. And then when it doesn't lather, then I like to use like more of the vibrating ones, because I don't know, there's like, you feel like it's actually doing something at least, because you always have it in your mind like, oh my god, this cleanser is not lathering, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's not good. But yeah, I just like to try different cleansers with different face devices. Okay, why do I not remember getting, oh yeah, okay, 111 Skin. This is the Pollution Defense Booster, and there was something interesting about this. Oh yes, I liked it because it provides protection against screen emitted artificial visible light. It's almost like, you know, blue light blockers. I'm guessing this is a serum, blocks it. And I'm always on my phone, on my Switch, on the laptop late at night, so I think this might be a good thing to have to help with those blue lights that might be affecting the skin. That's what drew me in with this one, and probably the price too. Very simple looking. It's a dropper. Oh, it's very it's kind of like stretchy. Let's see. No smell, that's good. Oh, it's already absorbed. And no stickiness. Good. Perfect. Next time I'm gonna come prepared with prices. I'm annoyed with myself right now. Okay, and then another brand at Sephora that I've always wanted to try, but it was just way too expensive for me to ever actually pay full price, or even during the VIB sales, it still felt expensive to me. So to see it on BoxyCharm and to see it keep popping up even more with more different products was like, I'm like, wow. BoxyCharm carries a lot of really good brands, and it's so hard for me to pick which ones to get because there's just so many like heavy hitter skin brands on there. And this is Ren Clean Skincare. This is called the Evercall Global Protection Day Cream. So it seems like another one of those anti-pollutant products. Yeah. Enriched with a protection complex, it leaves the skin hydrated, replenished, and better protected against free radicals and environmental aggression. So this is more like a daytime use type thing. And this brand is really good because it's a cruelty vegan, one of the clean brands. Let's see. And this will be my first Ren product to try. And I like their packaging. It's really pretty too, in a very like environmentally friendly looking way. Pump. coming up. Let's get a little bit, a tiny bit. Don't taste too much. Nice, no fragrance. It actually smells like kind of like lotion, like really basic lotion, no fragrance. But it has the lotion smell, not a fragrance, but it reminds me of like lotions when like your parents would put on you when you're younger that had no smell. I'm trying to think of a brand that would be like Eucerin or something like that. Nice. I'm happy about that. And then there's one last thing in here, but I did grab 2 of these because I couldn't believe it was on there, because this is my absolute favorite concealer, like up to date. There was a while there when Shape Tape came out that I was like, oh my god, this is the best concealer ever. And then this came out and I was like, oh my god, this blows Shape Tape out of the water. This is the Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This, for last summer, I'm pretty sure I used this like every single day as my foundation, because it's so much coverage that it can be a foundation. But it's nice because it has like a more of a natural finish, like not too dewy, but it gives the skin a nice like glow, like a naturalness. It's not like caked on, but that's hard to get with something that's so full coverage. So that's why it's my absolute favorite. And I am warm beige, and I did buy 2 of them, but the second one was in a separate purchase, so I'm just gonna wait for that to pop up someday. And I think this was $12, and I think normally it's 24 or something, but the sales on Boxy Charms it's insane. I don't know how they do it. And that is it for my add-ons. And now I'm going to film a Charlotte Tilbury haul. If you want to see that one, you can go on to the next video. Thanks guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.